I literally did not do an intro, but I went from this to this. What I did is fucking fantastic, you know what I'm saying? I did that. Hey guys, oh my god, this is why I wanted to do most of the video in music, because definitely know I got the cold. Like, I thought I sounded better, but the last song actually is my friend's mix. I'm gonna link it down below so you guys check it out. It was so much easier. I put a trash bag and made a hole. Having a whole bag there allowed me to just focus on that section. I used that liquid, put it on the hair, and I wanted to get every part of the hair, like every single section. Like, I kept reparting, making sure every single hair has product on it. And then I put foil. I don't know, guys, I don't know why I did the foil like this. What is going on here? Sometimes I'm an idiot. I waited about like 40 minutes before I came back to it. When I came back to it, this is what it looked like. And I was a little shocked. Like, I expected it to look a little lighter. It didn't, so I just am thinking it has to be the hair for it to not bleach that well. So I tried again. This time, I put a little more bleach. And I waited a little longer. I didn't wash it out yet. And I still put the foil like an idiot, but it's okay. And that's how it came out after I washed and I blow dried it. I didn't even put conditioner. And I'm like, why am I the fucking look like that? Like, if you take anything from this video, do the trash bag, for sure. So I did it again, re-putting the dye. The hair is so bad. Like, the hair is bad. Wonder what bad hair looks like? This is it. The only time I put this on correctly. Out of the, you know, they say third time's the charm for real. And this is the lightest the hair was getting, too. The annoying thing is, like, it's supposed to be turning blonde, but it's literally turning, like, pink, like my bed sheets. Like pastel pink. I was so confused. I just gave up at that moment. I decided I'm just gonna wash the hair. I have to scrap the idea I wanted to do. I wanted to do a blonde streak. Like, a blonde streak. And I couldn't do that. Because if I wanted a pastel pink, I would be so happy, because, like, I would barely have to do anything, I think, once I got here. But no. Luckily, I always have crimson at home. Oh, it's fall. I really want to try auburn, so I'm really excited for that. Love, love, love red. Like, I said this, if I haven't. Red on me is, like, amazing. I just love red. I did learn, though, this is not the red I want to use if I do a full head, because it's a lot. It's like, pow. It's a pa-pow. But it's like a cute, funky, sexy, hot, fire, nice kapow. I'm literally parting little sections, almost like I did with the dye. And I am getting tip to root. I mean tip to root. With a little tail comb brush. See that lining out? All that little air part, that like tan part, that's my lace. I want it that close. I'm obviously arguing with someone, because look how my hands are going. What the? Yo, it was a slow motion. But you just want to part slowly. Slowly. Sav just came to join us. I'm doing this early in the morning so that, you know, I can just be in silence. So after all that parting, first rinse it out, wash it out, deep condition, and air dry.
The next day.
Okay, just hot combing it, the curls to be like this and just have a little red showing. I don't know why I put that much mousse. My plan, literally imitate. I don't remember her name. I'll look at 3 letters of the word and decide what it says. Like Tia or Ty. It's not about the mistake you make, it's about the reaction to the okay, I'm gonna stop because I'm literally an idiot. Normally I just curl if I do it the wand way. I kind of want to give the like, this is like calm, ready to attack. Yeah. So my friend Erica was using her curling iron at work, and I was like, girl, your curling iron is just like,
girl, my iron is so bomb.
Yeah, no. I wasn't gonna say that. I actually think your curling iron sucks because it's not curling. Oh my. So then one day at work, I realized she wasn't using her curling iron as a curling iron. She was using it as a wand. That is why her curls were coming out extremely popping. I was using it as a curling iron and they were coming out wah wah. So happy I did red instead of blonde anyways, because if you see me in a red dress on a Friday,
do the light skin face, hey, do the light skin face, hey, do the light skin face, hey, do the light skin face, hey.
Some nigga said that to me. With my red hair, and don't try that at home. It works. I want the curls to flare outwards. Comb it out, then brush it out. I could even curl this just a little more. Ah! Keep burning myself. Put some earrings in. Got some lip gloss on, a little blush. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the final look. No, it's not about the start. We wanted blonde, but we got this. How you react to it. And I did that. Look at that. That red looks so good. Love. Comment down below what you guys think if you would try this. The hair's not that amazing, but the hair that I did. Like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos. Bye, guys.